Welcome to Future Step Pakistan.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Future Step Pakistan. Today's video is a complete admission guide for UET Taxila, one of Pakistan's top engineering universities. UET Taxila is known for its strong academic system, experienced faculty, and excellent engineering programs. In this video, I'll explain. Available engineering disciplines, eligibility criteria, admission process, entry, test, and merit system, and important tips for students applying this year. So, if you're planning to apply to UET Taxila after FSC or equivalent, watch this video till the end to avoid mistakes and increase your chances of selection. UET Taxila offers BS degree programs in both engineering and science, IT fields, BS Civil Engineering, BS Electrical Engineering, BS Mechanical Engineering, BS Electronics Engineering, BS Industrial Engineering, BS Software Engineering, BS Computer Engineering, BS Telecommunication Engineering, BS Environmental Engineering, BS Metallurgy and Materials Engineering, Mechatronics, BS Computer Science, BS Mathematics, BS Physics. For engineering BS programs, intermediate pre-engineering, or pre-medical with additional mathematics, where allowed. Minimum 60% marks. ECAT entry test is mandatory. For BS CS, BS Math, BS Physics, intermediate with mathematics. Minimum 50% marks for most programs. Entry test may not be required for BS Mathematics and BS Physics depending on policy. For engineering BS programs, appearing in the ECAT or any UET accepted equivalent entry test is compulsory. Your entry test score plays a major role in merit. The UET Taxila admission process is simple. Step 1. Register online on the official UET Taxila admissions portal. Step 2. Upload all required documents. Step 3. Submit the application processing fee through the bank. Step 4. Merit lists are displayed based on entry test score and intermediate marks. Step 5. If your name appears in the merit list, your documents are verified. You pay the admission semester fee, and your admission becomes confirmed. Regular BS programs, $95,000, $110,000 per semester. Engineering programs usually cost slightly more. Self-support programs have different fee structures. Always check the official website for the latest fee. Fee structure, self-finance, approximate fee. A self-finance, self-support student may pay PKR 344,800 inches first semester, $160,370 per subsequent semester. Regular BS programs are $95,000, $110,000 per semester. Always check the official website for the latest fee. The admission procedure for self-finance seats is very similar to regular admission. The university provides separate hostels for boys and girls. Hostel fee is approximately $25,000, $35,000 per semester. Mess charges are separate, around $4,000, $6,000 per month. All applicants must appear in the UET entry test, commonly called ECAT. For the year 2026, the test is expected to be held around June 2026. The test includes multiple choice questions in mathematics, physics, chemistry, English. Tip: prepare thoroughly, as your ECAT score plays a major role in merit lists and seat allocation. Scholarships and financial aid at UET Taxila. SS Undergraduate Scholarship for students from low-income families. Need-based assistance, covering tuition fees plus stipend. Punjab Educational Endowment Fund, PEEF Scholarship Merit Need-Based Support via the PEF scheme. Internal university scholarships. For example, University Merit Scholarship, University Welfare Scholarship for deserving or meritorious students. Other need or merit-based scholarships, stipend, scholarship schemes for specific categories, for example, based on domicile, heritage, special status, depending on eligibility, financial aid via outside bodies, trusts, for example, an agreement with Ihsan Trust Karachi to provide interest-free loans for needy students on need-come-merit basis. Akuwat is a non-profit organization that gives out Karze Hasna, interest, free loans to people in need, including students. Their education loan scheme helps students cover tuition, books, fees, and other education expenses without interest. Loans are available for all levels: school, college, university, and even vocational or technical training, depending on eligibility. 2025 closing merits: software engineering, 76.784%. Computer engineering, 68.525%. Mechanical engineering, 73.511%. Electrical engineering, 66.127%. Civil engineering, 71.939%. Electronics engineering, 63.198%. Computer sciences, CS, 69.636%. Telecom engineering, 55.814%.
Industrial engineering, 54.939%. Environmental engineering, 51.845%.
If you want to pursue engineering, start preparing for ECAT right now. And if you plan to choose BS Computer Science or BS Mathematics, a strong background in mathematics will give you a big advantage. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, like, share, subscribe. Have a question? Drop it in the comments.